Since I'm dying, gusto ko punuin tong photo album ng memories with the special people that I love.
Hashtag lost and confused.
10 special people. I need to create memories with them and ask for their signatures. Para kapag namatay na ako, pwede ko dalhin yung memories na yun sa afterlife.
So, bakit mo sinasabi sa akin to?
You deserve to be on the first page.
Ayoko.
What?
Kapag ginawa ko yun, para ko na rin tinanggap na mamamatay ka na. Ayoko nun. Ayokong maniwala dun.